Hey, what's up? Today I am making these garlic roasted green beans. They are going to have just a hint of lemon and a little bit of spice. I know that you're going to love them, so let's rock them out. Here I have 20 ounces of fresh green beans, and as you can see, these are the beautiful long ones. To that I am adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a half of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a half of a teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, the zest from 1 lemon, about half of this lemon zest, and that was from the 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, about a teaspoon of honey, 1 shallot cut in slices, 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Toss this mixture around until everything is evenly coated. While we're tossing, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That is going to give you notifications of my upcoming videos. Remember that subscribing is free. Now that I have these nice and coated and tossed around, I'm going to go ahead and spread them onto a sheet pan. Be sure to get all that goodness out of the bowl. Spread these out. And then these are going to go into the oven at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes total, but we are going to stir them after the first 10. So here we are 25 minutes later, but we are not quite done. Look how gorgeous the garlic and the shallots roasted up in there. Absolutely gorgeous. So at this point we're going to gather these into a nice little pile. Add on the rest of the lemon zest that we had saved. Here I have about a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, and I'm going to toast these on the stove on medium-high heat until they are beautiful and golden. Once these are looking toasty, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them onto a plate to cool. Sprinkle in your pine nuts. And you can pull one of these out. They're really hot right now, but go ahead and give one of them a taste and decide if you need more lemon juice or salt. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to toss these around, make sure everything gets nice and coated. I am also going to grate some of that beautiful Romano cheese right on top of those. If you don't have Romano, you can definitely substitute Parmesan or Gruyere, no problem. They will be absolutely delicious in this. And let's go ahead and plate them up.